Hi everyone, welcome back. Who doesn't love that beautiful eye makeup with some glitter and the smoked eyeliner and that beautiful wing? Today I'm going to be teaching you that how I created this beautiful smoky yet glittery look with the wing and the outer part and a smoked look. And in order to start that, I'm first going to fill in my brows. So today I'm going to use a powder to fill in my brows. I'm using the semi black shade to fill in my brows because my brows are very thick and pretty dense. So I have to use that color. So I'm using the brush which was given in that to fill in the brows. And filling in brows is very important step because you should not fill your brows overly in the front part. Up next, I'm using concealer underneath my brows and all over my lids to just have that clean canvas to work with and to clean up all the dark circle or all the discoloration that I have on my eyelids. Even though I don't have dark circles, but still it's important to conceal the discoloration and all the redness. So using the concealer brush, I'm using the concealer, and next I'm setting that with a compact powder. Today I'm not in the mood of using loose powder, so I just set that concealer with compact so that it doesn't crease or move. Before setting, you have to clear out all the crease lines on your eyelids. Following the next step, I'm using the blending brush to just have a beautiful transition in the outer part of my eye, and I'm taking some of that rose brown eyeshadow to just form that beautiful transition and blending it properly, taking small amount of color at a time, properly blending it out and taking my time, and you can see how beautiful transition it is giving, and applying the same on my lower lash line as well. Up next, after applying the transition shadow, I'm going to apply the wing in the lid space. The wing is basically above where we have to cut the crease, so it is the area above our lid space, above the lids area where the eyeliner is going to show. That's where I'm applying the wing eyeliner. You can use gel eyeliner, you can use anything you want, you are comfortable with. Up next, I'm using setting spray on a flat shader brush because if your brush is wet, it is going to get more pigment of the colors of the eyeshadows. And if as we are going to use the glitter in this eyeshadow tutorial, so this is going to easily transfer the glitter and pack on the maximum color to the lid space. So for the base of the glitter, I'm first using this light orange color. I don't know how much the camera catches, but this is the light orange color. And I'm going to just directly place it in the lid space. And next I'm using the glitter on the same brush, and you can see how pigmented that is and how seamlessly and beautifully it is getting transitioned to that lid space because the brush is wet, and hence if you will apply glitter with that, it is not going to give you trouble, it is not going to fall out, or it is not going to look choky, or it is not going to just get into your eyes and irritate them. So you just have to wet your brush before using the glitter, and it's going to be easily transformed to your lid space, and you can see how beautifully it is getting transformed and how comfortably I'm doing that. It is not at all a complicated process, it's very easy and simple process. Just follow the steps that I am just giving you. Next, I'm going to complete that wing, so I'm going to extend the line from the outer part of my eye to connect with the upper line which we have created previously. That way it is going to form a wing, And now I'm going to complete the eyeliner by filling in the front part of the lash line as well. So it is really important to be really precise with this, because eyeliners, it's your choice, whatever you want to use, the form of eyeliner you want to use, but be precise. Up next, I'm taking the same color which we have used before, the glitter, which we have used to create the base, with the big blending brush in the lower lash line to smoke out and to carve out the color properly. I'm just taking generous amount of that eyeshadow and blending it. And this is giving beautiful transition of that eyeshadow. And it is not at all irritating my eyes because the brushes are really good and they are so great. Up next, to have that smoky effect in the outer part in the lower lash line, I'm using some black eyeshadow on the angled brush to have that smoky effect in the outer part. And as you can see, and I love this ombre of color which is getting transformed and which we are creating. As I always say, makeup do not have particular rules. You have to do it the way you are comfortable, because it is a learning process and you can just mold it in your way and find the best version for yourself. To finish up the look, I'm just applying the lashes, and this is the completed look. And I'm shooting this in natural light, and you can see that how great and beautiful this looks in the natural light. And this looks so elegant, seamless, well blended, and not so heavy, not so choky, even though we have used glitter, but it is looking really great. And this is the look which I always love to create for you people, and you can create the same. And if you have liked it, then please consider subscribing to my channel and share it. And you will find all the links of my social media in the description box to follow me on my socials. And this is the result of my creation today. And if you have enjoyed it, then please give me a thumbs up as well. And watch the full video to just learn it properly. Until then, bye guys, and stay tuned.